A 403 error in Warhammer 40,000 games, like Space Marine 2, Dark Tide, etc., typically means access is forbidden due to one of the following. Common causes of 403 error in Warhammer 40K games. Game server rejecting your session token. Account not authorized, banned, region locked, or early access issue. Blocked by firewall, antivirus, or VPN. Trying to access before launch or maintenance period. Corrupt game cache or platform login issues, Steam Game Pass. Step-by-step fix for Warhammer 40K 403 error PC. Restart Steam 1. Restart Steam Game Pass. Reboot PC. Close game launcher completely. Restart PC and relaunch the game client. Sometimes token refresh fails and restarting fixes it. 2. Sign out and back into game launcher. Sign out of Steam or Xbox Game Pass. Log back in, then launch the game again. Hepper 3. Verify game files for Steam. Right-click Game, Properties, Installed Files, Verify Integrity for Xbox app. Open Xbox app, right-click Game, Manage, Files, Verify, Repair. 4. Disable VPN or try a different region. 403 errors can be region-specific. Disable VPN or switch to a region like US, Germany, Singapore. Avoid proxies or custom DNS that block region routing. For 5, add game to firewall and antivirus exceptions. Go to Windows Firewall, allow app through firewall. Make sure Warhammer 40K executable is checked. Do the same in your antivirus software. Cache 6. Clear game cache. Optional. Delete the config cache folder from. You can see the code in our conversation history. Backup saves if needed. Nash 7. Check for ban access restrictions. Visit the official Warhammer 40K forums or game site to check account status, ban suspension, early access, or beta lockout. If error persists, wait 15 to 30 minutes and try again. Sometimes server tokens reset on their own. Keep an eye on official Twitter, Discord, Reddit for server maintenance updates.